Hey there, it's Robert McCann, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through step-by-step guide on how to blog on your new website. Again, how to blog on your new website, a step-by-step guide. I'll take you into my back office and show you. And what we're going to cover today is first of all, why you need a blog, your back office navigation. We're going to also talk about some customization tips that you can use in your process. I'm going to actually do a full live blog post so you can see exactly how I go about doing that, and then at the very end I'll spend a couple minutes on how you can get paid doing the same thing yourself. So let's dive right in here. At the back office side of my blog, this is what you'd see from the front side, except I'm logged in on the back side. And what I wanted to show you here is everything is very customizable. You can customize the colors to whatever your likings are. This banner that's up here, you can fully customize the banner. You can customize each of the tabs to say whatever it is that you want to be in there. You can customize the typing. I've added a YouTube video here to give people a little bit more personal touch. I've written out things about myself. I go through a whole story there. You'll notice I can embed links in here, photos in here, and I'll show you how to do that during the process of the blog post. I put this banner down here. You can change all of this information, and I'm going to show you in a different video a free tip and trick that you can use inside a regular desktop application in order to create your nice, crisp, clean banners that fit very well. But all you got to do is come in here. You can edit this. You'll click and you'll grab some image that you've created, and I'll show you that. You'll upload that image in here, and you'll go forward from there. Very, very simple to customize. You can customize all of that. You can customize, there's a side banner here that you can customize. This was a joke, that was me as a kid. You can customize that banner as well. And certainly up here as well. You can make all these different customizations. And it's very, very simple. It's a little pop-up's going to come here, edit and upload the image. And it's going to tell you right in here what type of image you need, as far as the size that you're going to need. And you can easily find a calculator online to convert inches and pixels and things of that nature. You can change out this image. Matter of fact, I'll just do a test here for you to show you. If I go in here and I'll just grab this image. Now it's already been scaled for this particular size. Boom, there's the image. I can just save the image and it'll go live, but in this case I'm not going to save it because I already have my image up there, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of that. So why don't we go from there? That's how you do the customization. And before I go to the next step, I wanted to tell you really the reason you need a blog versus a standard website is a standard website, typically most people that pay the money to have a website, it's very static, meaning there's no life on there, so it's hard for the search engines to be able to find, when they send the robots out, to find your site and push it up in the search engine so that when people are searching for something you might be offering, that you would be up at the top. Versus a blog site, if you actively blog on a daily basis of something that's important to you, something that's passionate to you, and you'll get the hang of it, trust me, after you get doing it, you'll get the hang of it. If you actively do that, and you use some tips and tricks and some of the core courses that are inside the Empower Network, you'll be able to learn strategies and techniques to increase your search engine optimization and increase your following and your traffic there. So why don't we jump into the blog site, and I'll go ahead and show you how to do a live blog. All right, and the easiest way to do this is once you get into your back office, you're just going to click on this particular text pen right here. Very, very simple. And what I like to do, and I operate my computer on two different screens, so I'm going to drag a screen over here. What I like to do is I'll type out the blog in a Word document, and then I'll put little notations in here for myself, insert the pictures here, and I'll just I'm going to copy and paste all of this data, and a lot of it I'll keep reusing the same data. I'll copy it from one source to the other, so I'm just going to select all, go ahead and copy that information, move that out of my way, and here you're going to have to do Control V in order to get that data to paste in there, and boom, there it is. You can see it inside the blog right now. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is, this was my header. Oops. Okay, and I put this up here in your message title, and you can change all of this. You can change, there's an editor in here, you could make this bold, You can add colors on it like you've seen on my blogs. You can highlight the text, any of that information. I'm going to show you this quick trick right here. This is the note that I put in here. I went over here onto YouTube, and this story is about Brené Brown, and I just searched her in there, the power of vulnerability. You go down here, and normally on the video, you're going to see the about section, which is the the write-up or the story. Right next to it, there's a little button, share button. Just click on the share button. What you're going to do is copy and paste this information right here. Go right back to your blog. Hit the little mountain icon. We're going to go ahead and insert a video. Right click, paste it in there. Add the media, and voila, now the video is in my blog. And I'll show you that as we continue on. And like I say, you can kind of go through here. You can change different fonts. I'm not going to spend the time doing that. That's all very self-explanatory. Here's a picture. I am going to show you this because I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go into Google. And all I did was I did a Google search. And I like to put in the name and then put in HD for high definition through here until I find a picture. And I picked this one out earlier. I'm going to go ahead and grab this picture right here. It's a nice picture of her smiling. I'm going to view the image. And when you click it this way, you can go ahead and right-click on it, save the image, and it'll give you the opportunity to save it. And I'll go ahead and save that. Let me go ahead and put on here so I can find it a little easier. So we're going to. In here, I'm going to select the mountain. And you can always pause. If I'm going too fast, you'll always be able to pause the video, rewind. You'll come back in here, upload from the computer. I'm going to go ahead and pick the image in here. I click this area. It's going to bring up my image library. And let's get to her picture. And here she is. Select the picture. Set it up, and there it is. We're going to go ahead and add that in here, and voila, there she is. Here's a quick little trick though. That picture is going to be a little bit big, so what you do is you click the picture, it'll highlight, just right click on it, hit image properties, and you can knock this down. A good place to do this is just, all you got to do is just go into the width area, type the number 300 in. That's it. Don't mess with the height, just do the width, and it'll kind of self-adjust. Makes it a little smaller, but while I'm here, this is where I'm going to come in here and leave it highlighted, and you see this chain that's here, this chain link. Click that link, and what we're going to do is I'm going to type in www.google.com and select open link in a new tab. I'll show you what that does in just a moment. So you're going to continue on and go through here. I'll spare, these are all the same repetitive processes and steps or whatnot. It's really just simply a copy and paste. You can come and edit all this. You're going to go ahead and then it's a public blog. You're going to use your Empower Network blog. This all comes fully equipped in your back office. It's fantastic. You're going to go ahead and pick a category. So I'm going to go ahead and pick, in this case, let's see, I've got motivation here, I believe. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and pick motivation for this video here. You can come and change this, but I'm going to have to show you this in a different, once you come on board, there'll be some different tips and tricks that you can use for keyword optimization. I'll show you that in another video. That's not for this video. Just select publish, and here in just a moment, here's your blog post. It was really that simple, very much that simple. Let's take a look at it, what it looks like on the web. Stand by. Now what you're going to notice here is the blog that you just put out. Here's today's date when I'm shooting this video, June 20, 2014. It's the first blog here, and you can see your hypertext link here. I'll show you something interesting here. If you click this text that's right here, I'll have to expand my screenshot area here. Bear with me a second. You can see up here in the URL, it's got the long tail keyword that's in there, and that's very good for search engine optimization. But as you get into the system and you take a look at the products, you'll be able to better utilize that information. But I just wanted to just show you that while I was here. You can see here's the blog that we put in, here's the video, here's our text, here's our photo, and remember I showed you I was going to show you a little trick here. If you come here, I'll go ahead and open it in a new tab so you can see it. And what it's going to do, remember we set it for Google, and sure enough, it's taking us right over to Google. So that's how you hyperlink the photo in there. In case somebody clicks it, you can drive that traffic where it is that you want to drive the traffic. Here's the rest of the data that's in here. I mean, it's just really a wonderful platform. You can also integrate this. If you come down here and click on my bottom banner, you can set yours up the same way. If you click on this, what it's going to do is it's going to take you to a landing page that I've created. You know, yes, Robert, I want to work from home, make crazy videos, and earn money in the process. That's just my particular landing page that I'm using currently, but that's simply how you do that from down here. So somebody clicks that, and then they go on over to that. So, I mean, you can have all of this technology. You can have, you skip 5 skinny lattes a month, and it's all yours. It's $25 a month just to have the blog site. That's all your hosting included. You can make as many blog posts as you want. It's phenomenal. I mean, it's really, it's a joke at $25. It's a steal. And what I recommend, if you want to make money with your blog and show others how to do the same thing, you could really leverage off of doing that and leverage the site. You got to pay a $19.95 a month affiliate fee in order to do that, but you could sell an unlimited number of blogs. If you sold 20 blogs, for example, you're going to first of all get your blog in essence for free, but also you're probably going to make enough to make a car payment just selling 20 blogs. It's $25. I mean, you should be able to give this away daily if that's the business model you want, or if you just want the site for yourself and for your business, for your own purposes, that works as well. Happy to work with you. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And I just want to make sure that you also take a look at our average income disclosures, which we update daily, and you can get that at income.transformmyincome.com. Again, that's income.transformmyincome.com. My name again is Robert McCann. It's been wonderful showing you this. I hope this tutorial helps out. I hope it shows you what's possible that you can do with a $25 blog. There's an order form here somewhere on the page that you can get to. You can get started right now. You could have your blog in the next 30 minutes. You could be up and blogging, linking it over to your Facebook and your LinkedIn account, driving traffic, and starting your way right from the very comfort of your own home. And listen, why miss out on the opportunity to harvest your own data, harvest your own content, and make a profit of it, versus just letting Facebook do it, or LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, any of those social networking sites, even YouTube for that matter. Create your own YouTube channel. But we'll see you in the next video. Make it a great day. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.